I bought this on Amazon a while back, and here in Arizona, these tubes will get all hard and awful after a while because the moisture gets sucked out of them. But these, I don't know if you can see, they're frosted, they're really pliable, and they've just been sitting under my fish tank and for months, and they're still perfect. So if you're thinking about buying this brand, I highly recommend it. Love the purchase. Great for the money. Yeah. Enjoy.